Hi, today I'm part of EMPORIA Smart 5 and I'll show you the Face ID test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with the Face ID help, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the Face ID works here correct and fast. We just unlocked the device successfully just in just a couple of seconds. You can just try this unlock method, but don't forget that the Face and ID Face unlock is less secure than the passcode, PIN code, or pattern unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.